Tent review. Type, automatic tent. Brand name, LIADUS. Number of users, 5 out of 8. Material, plant fiber. Is _customized, yes. Fabric, 600D Oxford with reflective mylar material. Structure, 2 bedrooms. Bottom waterproof index, greater than 3000 millimeters. Season, 3-season tent. Outside tent waterproof index, greater than 3000 millimeters. Style, outdoor. Pole material, carbon fiber. Layers, double. Building type, quick automatic opening. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.